Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to unlock the bootloader of Realme X7 Max. So actually there are some of the videos in YouTube, but I just wanted to make one more so to clearly tell how to unlock the bootloader of Realme X7 Max. So right now I am just on the A15 firmware. As you can see here, I have also showed in the previous video, this is A15 firmware and also the bootloader is logged. So in order to unlock the bootloader, you just need to go to the about phone and this baseband. So you just need to tap on the build number for several times so that the developer options will be enabled. So you just need to go to the additional settings here and just search for the developer options, and you just need to allow this bootloader to be unlocked. So you just need to allow this, and after enabling this, you just need to restart your system, and you just need to allow the USB debugging here as well. So once after this, just restart your mobile phone so that it would be better. So just to restart your system, and I'll be back once after the restart. So friends, here my mobile got restarted and we just need to check the settings again. So let me just click on about settings and the baseband. So as I just showed you this, so I just need to go to the additional settings and click on the developer options. As you can see, the OEM unlock is enabled and the USB debugging is also enabled. So now you just need to download the deep testing APK, and you just need to download this file. I'll just provide you the link in the description below. So here, when you just open the deep testing application, you just need to click on apply now, and you just need to agree this disclaimer. Just read this and you just need to click on submit application. So application is submitted, so it will be processed in some time, and after this you just need to follow the procedure again. So I'll be back by doing all the steps. Okay, so friends, after installing the deep testing application and after sending the approval, you just need to do one thing. So you just need to download the ADB setup 1.4.3, and also you just need to download the platform tools. So you just need to extract the platform tools, and once you extracted the platform tools, it will be extracted to a new folder, and you can see all the platform tools here. So once after extracting the platform tools, so you also do one thing. So just open the ADB setup here and run the ADB setup.exe, so that it will just open a file here, and I think it's a slow, yeah. So it will just open a file here. Just click on yes, and you will get a blue color window, and you just need to click on Y. So let me just cancel this. Yeah, it is asking, do you want to install ADB and fastboot? So just click on Y and click on enter, and install ADB system wide. Just click on Y and click on enter. So it's installing the ADB and fastboot here, and it is also saying that do you want to install the device drivers? So just click on Y and click on enter. So if you just click on next, so the process will complete. So once after this, you just need to do one thing. So I just show you using the deep testing application. So friends, so after doing those commands and installing the ADB setup and also installing the platform tools, so again we just need to go to the deep testing application. So as you can see, the application is approved, and you just need to click on start deep testing here. So once you click on start deep testing, it will be redirected into the fast boot mode. So once after it redirected into the fast boot mode, you just need to connect this device to the system, and please follow my steps. So friends, once it is redirected into the fast boot mode, you just need to do one thing, friends. So first of all, you just need to open the platform tools here. Just extract this and use the platform tools, and now you just need to connect your mobile phone to the PC. So let me just do one thing, friends. So I will just connect my mobile phone to the PC. So let me just connect my mobile phone to the PC, and as you can see, I'm just connecting my mobile phone to the PC here, and we just need to do one thing. So here I'm just pressing CMD. So let me just click on enter. So you can see this page. So as you can see, it is in the C drive, and you can see this platform tools. So right now you just need to enter this command, which is fastboot flashing unlock. So let me just do one thing here, fast boot space flashing space unlock. So once you did that, just click on enter here, and as you can see here, it will just ask that to press volume up to unlock the bootloader. So I'm so sorry. So yeah, you just need to press volume up to unlock the bootloader. So just press on the volume up option here, and the unlock was done. And you just need to do one more thing. You just need to enter another command, which is fastboot reboot. So let me just do one thing. You just need to enter the second command, which is fastboot reboot. So let me do one thing, just enter fastboot reboot and click on enter. So once you click on enter, see your mobile phone, it will be rebooted into the the mobile phone. So it will be rebooted into the system. As you can see here, the bootloader is unlocked in my Realme X7 Max device. So the bootloader is unlocked, and it will just restart into the system. So I'll just show you whether it is unlocked or not. So you can just wait and see. So friends, here as you can see, it is now restarted and rebooted into my device. So let me just do one thing friends. Here you just need to go to the about phone and click on this, and you just need to tap this 7 times so that the developer options will be enabled. So once after doing that, go to the additional settings, and you just need to click on the developer options, and you can see here that the OEM unlocking is grayed out, which means the bootloader is unlocked. As you can see, the bootloader is unlocked. So this is the tutorial to unlock the bootloader friends. So if at all if there is any issue, you can just comment in the comment section below, and I'm doing each and every video in the sequence order. So hope you'll enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care.